In this video, I'll show you how you can model or simulate an AC circuit in Simulink. In this video, I'll mainly simulate a simple RLC AC circuit. Okay, for that I'm opening Simulink and then a blank model. So this is our blank model. So okay, and from the left side you can see here our reference circuit. Okay, for implementing this circuit, I'm browsing library and then go Simscape and then electrical and specialized power system. Okay, in this part, we will mainly follow for simulating AC circuit. Here I am going sources for taking a voltage source. I'm taking a simple AC voltage source. Then I need RLC branch. Okay, so I'm taking series RLC branch. Okay, so that's all. So for you have to know this, for simulating a specialized power system, we need a common block called power grid. So when you simulating any circuit or model using specialized power system, you have to use these blocks. Okay, so I'm making the circuit. Here R is 12 L.15 Henry and C 10 picofarad. We have to calculate voltage across each series branch. Okay, for that I am discretizing this circuit. Okay, as we need voltage across each branch, so I'm discretizing this branch to RLC. This is RL and this is C. I'm making the circuit. So okay, our circuit is complete. Now I am putting the numerical values. Here Vs is 100 volt and frequency is 50 hertz. So all is okay. So we have to calculate here current and voltage across each branch R, L and C. For measuring voltage or current, for current measurement we need current measurement block, and for voltage we need voltage measurement block. Okay, so by deleting this branch we can calculate current. Okay. Here for measuring voltage, sorry, in each branch we need 3 voltage measurement block. So this is across R, this is across L, this is across C. Now here one thing we may observe the wave shape. Okay, we may observe the wave shape in of current voltage easily, but here we need numerical values. For numerical values, I'm taking a display block. For observing wave shape, we may take scope block. Okay, when I simulate this circuit, you can say when I simulate the circuit, you may observe the wave shape of like current voltage. This is wave shape of current. Okay, but what we need is numerical values. This is wave shape of voltage, this is sinusoidal. Okay, for measuring numerical values we need another block named here sensor and measurement under specialized power system. This is Fourier block. Okay, this Fourier block will enable us to detect numerical values, fundamental component. Here I am deleting the scope, and for each block we need is Fourier block. Okay, for 3 voltage measurement block I'm deleting the scope, and here for each voltage we need 3 Fourier block and 3 display block. Okay, so I'm taking only magnitude. This will also give us phase also. So okay, all the connection are made, but here only things we have to change the fundamental frequency 60 to 50 hertz as our voltage source is 50 hertz. Okay, oh sorry, here our C is 100 microfarad. Okay, now I'm in this model. As you can see here, the value of current is here 5.14, and our we have got 5.21, and voltage across resistor is 61.7, and we got 62.59, and voltage across inductor is 242.2, and we got 139, and voltage across capacitor 163.5, and this is 161.6. Okay, as we are taking only the fundamental component, the numerical value will be some derivative values. Okay, so this is the way you can learn or simulate your AC circuit in Simulink. So okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.